Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer BNB from your Coinbase wallet to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just diversify your crypto holdings, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase wallet and a Kucoin account set up, and that you have some BNB in your Coinbase wallet. It's also crucial to double-check network compatibility. BNB typically uses the BNB Smart Chain, so we'll stick to that. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in. Navigate to your wallet dashboard and find the BNB asset in your portfolio. Once you spot it, select BNB and look for the Send or Withdraw option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. In the Send screen, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. But hold on, don't copy it yet. Head over to Kucoin. Log into your Kucoin account, go to the Assets section, and select Deposit. Choose BNB from the list of cryptocurrencies, and make sure it's set to the BNB Smart Chain network. Kucoin will then generate a unique deposit address for your BNB wallet. Copy that address carefully. Now, back to Coinbase Wallet. Paste the Kucoin deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check everything. The address, the amount of BNB you're sending, and the network. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds. Once you're confident, hit Send or Confirm. You'll likely see a transaction fee. Approve it if it looks right. Step 3. Wait for the transaction to process. On the BNB Smart Chain, this usually takes just a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Kucoin account. Once the BNB arrives, you'll see it in your balance. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred BNB from Coinbase Wallet to Kucoin. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and verify addresses twice. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.